everybody? It's your friendly neighborhood, the dreaded farmer. I'm in the kitchen. You know I'm not a chef, but I'm chefing it up today. So today I'm making a raw cashew apple salad. And there's a ton of goodies in this one, and I'm excited to make it because we've already done it once, and I actually made it, so I got the opportunity to make it again, so I thought I'd make a quick video showing you how simple and easy this is. It literally takes like 7 minutes and goes perfectly on a bed of greens. So here's the ingredients I have right now. So it's a cashew apple salad. So we do have cashews. I have a cup and a half of cashews, and basically I have 2 apples ready to go. This is all going to go in the food processor. So I got the apples. I have 2 tablespoons of chopped onions. I have 2 carrots. Then I have some celery, a couple celery stalks, and then it calls for some lemon juice, and then it also calls for dill, but we're going to use Young Living essential oil dill. And basically, it also calls for sea salt, but we're not going to do the sea salt. That's why we're putting celery in it. So the celery is going to provide that saltiness, and it's pretty cool because basically celery adds the salty flavor. It has beneficial enzymes, antioxidants, vitamin B6, C, and K, and then also we have the carrots, which are cool. Everybody knows carrots are good with vitamin A, and carrots also reduce the risk of cancer and cardiovascular disease, so you want to have that kind of stuff in your food. The cashews are also rich in vitamin E, K, magnesium, and iron. And then you have the onions. Onions are great immune support, and they also may help prevent cancer and everything. So and onions also have been known to kind of slow down the process of aging. So if you're eating a lot of onions, your body's getting some good stuff. Now, of course, this is all organic, so I'm not saying do GMO or anything that's got a bunch of pesticides on it. I'm telling you that you want organic stuff. So, but these are the ingredients. We also decided to use dill. The dill boosts digestion, immune system, has limonene in it. It's high in vitamin A and C. It's got folate and iron. And then you can look those things up and see the benefits of all of those. And then, of course, the vitamin C in the lemon juice and the antioxidant support there. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to gather up all this stuff. We're going to throw it into the mixer or the food processor. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick for you so you can see how simple this is. I'm just going to go ahead and put the carrots in first, because those are going to be the hardest to chop up. So I'm going to get this thing cranking. But yeah, so we love the raw vegan that we're doing right now, and this is just one of those beautiful examples of eating healthy. All this stuff is life-giving, and you know there's tons of nutrition here, which is going to be good for us. And then you throw in a bunch of apple. This is great. And so we've been really enjoying it. Throw the cashews on top. And then I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of lemon.
Dad, those are teaspoons. Those are teaspoons.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's 2 teaspoons. Pretty sure that's what it called for, was 2 teaspoons actually. So here's what I'm going to do with the dill, because you just never know the power of the essential oil. So I'm just going to get a little bit in here with my toothpick, and then I'm going to test it after I blend it up and see if that's enough. If it's not enough, I'll add a little bit more, but you want to start with that toothpick before putting a whole drop, because one drop could really. So I'm just going to turn this on. Thank you. Oh. You can tell I'm not really much in the kitchen. I try to stay away as much as possible. Grab a little bit. Amazing. See, that one little toothpick of dill was enough because I taste the dill and I taste the lemon and everything. And so we're gonna throw this on a bed of greens and enjoy it for the afternoon and a cool afternoon snack. You know, it's hot outside, so this is perfect for keeping us cool, keeping us hydrated, keeping a lot of nutrients in here. Tell me all about it. Okay. Anyway, I want y'all to live it, love it, and share it. Have an abundant afternoon, and when in doubt, just oil it. Shalom.